making some pins for the Lombard sled. That's a piece of plate for the bunks to rest upon. Byron's working on. This is an oak log they're going to make one bunk for the Lombard logging sled with. Ed's making old bunks for the logging sled using a Thomas bandsaw. The second bunk arriving. What kind of tracks do we have, Sherry?
Well, I'm fairly sure that we have bobcat. We saw a bobcat, we actually saw it at the office, which is in the Forest Service building, which is closed right now, but before Christmas we actually had a bobcat come across the driveway. But there's tracks down here by the end of the dam, and so we've got one down here too at the museum.
This is in addition to the blacksmith shop. That's our FGO. This is pine that we brought back from Lincoln.
Yeah. You don't want me either.
I get it out here and we'll get a straight edge right here. Girls will be here in an hour.